Forward me, I come watch the militant move. We never delay with the positive vibe. We making the show business smooth. One of the best in the world of the century. Them stealing troops. Still me beat them bad. Watch them bleeding wounds. You might don't know the latest news is in the building. KASIEBO. Kasiebo. Big
Every day me praise the Father.
I do basically every genre, but I focus more on reggae dancehall music.
Me know him won't take me far.
Professionally, I would say from 2014. It's been tough. It's been challenging, but then we've been through it by the grace of God, by the grace of the Almighty. We've come this far. Won a couple of awards. In 2017, I won the Reggae Dancehall Artist of the Year for Eastern Region, and I won it for the second time in 2018. Had a nomination for Ghana Music Awards South Africa, and then a couple of awards in another international award in Maryland, Next Generation Entertainment Award as Best Male Artist. I listen wide. I listen to other artists. I listen to other genres from different countries. So I'm that guy who wants to just learn, listen wide and learn. One other talent of Kasiebo is football. Yes, and then I love to serve. So I'll choose the military anytime, any day. I would say the doors are open for any collaboration. So doors are open for any collaboration. So any artist, it could even be an up and coming artist like myself. Kasiebo is known by the slogan "Big Aya." So wherever Kasiebo is, you hear "Big Aya," then you know Kasiebo there. So
Lord, set my soul free from this hunger. I know say I'm a sinner, so Father, wash me clean.
I have plans, but then everything is in the hands of the Maker. So 5 years back, I had plans, but I didn't know I'll come this far. And 5 years now, I'm here. So I have plans, but I know everything is in the hands of God. So God willing, 5 years from now, it's going to be great. We do this for humanity. How we living in the darkest world, yeah. Brother killing a brother in one property. We all have a story to tell. Them hating when them see a next man prosper. Fire go burn dirty, but mind them. Kakrabe shawu want them come closer. Pretending them are friends, them are blood suckers. Jaja, I go pray them with them own coin that I come. Me blocking all these fakers and pretenders from me canna. No, they can prick me, don't tell them they say this stuff. And then I'm with it, Rasta. We watching them. Nipaye bado. 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 Here is one. When me say bad, me mean say them frown when you prosper. Always them changing character like a chameleon. Them a susupan. Me don't know what them want from me. Yeah. And if a good thing come, them go monitor. And make sure say you now go make it up. And when them done, them go call you on a cellular. I tell you, say, bro, relax. Your time go come, but Jaja, I go pay them with them my own coin that I come. Me blocking all these fakers and pretenders from me canna. No, they can break me down. Tell them this is the stuff. And then I'm with it, yo. We watching them. Nipaye bado. Nipaye bado. Nipaye bado. Nipaye bado. Nipaye bado. Nipaye bado, yeah me know. Nipaye bado, nipaye bado, yo. Susuka wasewo na nipaye bado, yo. It no be everybody you for talk something na nipaye bado, yo. For wasem she we dream na nipaye bado, yo. Everybody hear me now. Me tell you, son, Nipaye bad. Big Aya. Yamadano, Kasiebo Lucky Town. NMX. Big Aya.